Welcome to this week's episode of Science Mania. As usual, we will have a mini lesson and pick two very lucky audience members to compete for a chance to win $1 million. Announcer, please tell us our topic of the day.
Drum roll, please. Today's topic is biomes. Let's not wait another minute and get this show on the road.
Be sure to pay close attention as we discuss our 9 biomes today. First up, we have the Majestic tropical rainforest. If my special guest host would please join me on the stage, please welcome ecologist Amber Ray.
Without further delay, I present the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest is home to over 50% of Earth's species. Of this 50%, less than 1% of plant species have been analyzed for medicine. That small percentage of analyzed plants makes up 70% of medicines used to treat cancer and are only found in the tropical rainforest. Besides medicine, this rainforest houses 1/5 of Earth's water supply, helps to regulate temperature and weather conditions, and supplies most of the world's oxygen. This biome is home to thousands of animals that could not survive anywhere else and provides 90% of humans living in poverty with their daily needs. Unlike the tropical forests, tropical seasonal forests have pronounced wet and dry seasons. These forests have high precipitation but are not dense. This allows for water to bring life to lower vegetation. Seasonal forests have high temperatures all year round and is the second to the tropical rainforest in species abundance. Savannas are tropical grasslands with few trees. With an abundance of grass, grazing animals are usually found in this biome. It has pronounced wet and dry seasons that are so long, some animals do not survive the dry season due to dehydration. Since the soil is not sustainable for farming, plants and animals depend on each other for food supply. If one were to be removed, the entire system would be altered. Up next, we have deserts. Daytime temperatures in desert biomes are extremely hot but have really cold nights. Since the vegetation does not grow very tall, deserts are only able to house small animals, so they are able to escape the sun. Cold deserts such as Antarctica are only able to grow limited vegetation but can still house plants and animals.
Thank you, Amber, for that presentation. I believe the time has come for me to share about temperate grasslands. Grassland biomes are made mostly of grassy plains. They are not able to grow huge trees like a forest, but they are able to maintain a lot of grass, while a desert cannot. Nearly 25% of Earth is grassland. These areas provide rich and fertile soil that is ideal for crops and pasture. Now we have the Boreal Forest. Boreal forests have moderate to low rainfall and can become fairly cold. In fact, as you travel north, the Boreal Forest becomes tundra due to how cold it is and short growth periods. Biodiversity in these areas is fairly low and consists mostly of conifers, lichens, and moss. In fact, like the tundra, boreal forests are covered in permafrost, a thick layer of soil that remains frozen at all times. Next, we have the tundra. It is the coldest of all biomes, with winters far below freezing and short summers that are still very cold. Though the weather isn't the best, tundras are still home to many species of plants and animals that can survive the cold. The word tundra translates to mean treeless land and is the driest place on Earth. Because of this, most organisms get their nutrients from decaying organic matter. Tundra also consists of 10% of Earth's surface. But despite this, these biomes are shrinking due to the melting of permafrost. Animals such as polar bears, lemur, and other small mammals find a home in tundras despite the harsh living conditions. Finally, we have the temperate, deciduous, and evergreen biomes. These biomes have a very high rainfall and fairly harsh winters, and the average temperature is around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Their soils are very rich, and their greenery consists of deciduous trees and a layer of shrubs and smaller trees in more seasonal, wetter areas. Evergreens can be found in their drier areas. Each of the 4 seasons lasts about 3 months, but the growing season of these biomes lasts about 6 months. This long growing season makes pristine conditions for abundant biodiversity.
It's time for the quiz. Can 2 contestants please step up to the stage? There will be 8 questions. Whoever buzzes in first gets to answer. Whoever has the most correct answers wins $1 million. Let's begin. What percentage of the rainforest has been analyzed for medicine?
What is less than 1%?
Correct. What distinguishes a tropical seasonal forest from a tropical rainforest?
What is high temperatures?
Correct. True or false? There is only one type of desert.
What is false?
Correct. What percentage of the earth is made up of grasslands?
What is 40%?
Incorrect. The answer is 25%. The word tundra translates to mean what?
What is treeless land?
Correct. True or false? Grasslands provide rich, fertile soil for crops and pasture.
What is true?
Correct. True or false? Deserts are the best at housing large animals due to the large amount of space in these areas for colonization.
False?
Correct.
All right, I hope you were paying attention because now we'll have our $1 million question.
What percentage of the medicines used to treat cancer are only found in the rainforest?
What is 90%? I win!
Incorrect.
What is 70%?
Correct. Congratulations, you've won Science Mania. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time.